Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can record a video or audio file on your smartphone with this earphones. Means you can connect this earphones to this your smartphone, and then you can record a video or audio. But most of the mobiles nowadays are not coming with this 3.5 headphone jack, because these are very slim mobiles. See here, very slim, so they are not giving this 3.5 headphone jack. And this is Motorola Edge 50 mobile. And please do comment who else are using this slim type of mobiles, and please comment your mobile type, and if there are any Motorola users, please do comment. Yeah, now what I did is I just ordered this converting cable, this C2 3.5 this is alien aux cable, type C to 3.5 audio jack converter. So this is the one. This comes with a nylon thread, very short, easy to carry, and this got one side C type and other side 3.5 headphone jack. So now what I can do is I can just plug in with this C type, and the other side I can insert my headphone jack, this earphones jack. Now what I can do is I can open the recorder app on my mobile, or even the camera recording also. When I do this camera recording, if say for example if I am doing a vlog or something like that, even though if I record anything, now if I keep this mobile like this and if I record anything, the input voice will be from these earphones. Likewise, just to test this, I'll be opening this recorder and I'll be recording this. Maybe I can put on this earphones and I'll just try to record. Now the voice recording is from the wired earphones, not from this mic of this cell phone. So this is the external mic. Now see, the earphones also will have the mic, right? That from that mic, see here, there will be mic available here, right? So through this mic the voice is getting recorded. So I'll be just saving this. Maybe I can just play this. I'll be just removing this, okay? And this is 200 rupees, okay? This C2 3.5 converter is just under 200 rupees, okay? This got you decent ratings. I did the unboxing. Just check in the video for the full details. Now I'll play this. Recording this, maybe I can put on this mic. The voice is getting recorded. So I'll be just, yeah, see here, I just tried to play the voice which has been recorded using this, and this got good quality. And these are the JBL earphones. That's the reason the mic and the recording quality is too good. So if you don't have this 3.5 headphone jack, still you can use this adapter and record audios or video. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.